All right, this is the Dadson model DS1342-KM 3-axis CNC knee-type deep hole gun drilling machine with high pressure coolant, drilling capacity inch and 1/8 up to 1 3/8 inch diameter with 42 inches of stroke. Programmable table.
Yep. 2-axis table, actually X and Y, which of course is right here, servo driven. You can see the X right out there, Y's behind. And yeah, she's down there. Big old. So yeah, programmable XY on the table. Z of course is our spindle. And a manual Z, of course, out here for table length, or for part work holding, I should say. And that's just fixed, that's just a coarse setting, and then you've got your gun drill coming through. So that's all movable. Bushing that comes in and out for drilling, of course. We do have about I don't know, must be a 40-inch drill in there. You can open this up a little bit maybe. And it's about a 15mm capacity, I think, is in there with 2 whip guides. That's pretty much how the machine came to us. Single spindle, 1 ball screw, box weighs up through here, all looking really good. 7.5 horsepower motor. Coming around by the hide and hand control. TNC 124 control, ready to go. We're in manual mode right now. We'll come back to that. Here's the Z-axis servo down low here, of course. Spindle box. Junction box down low, inconsequential. Up through the middle here, high pressure coolant system. The main pump off to the left there, there you go. Gauge, solenoid valve on off. Right hand side, loop system hanging on the bed there. Pretty straightforward. And as you come out, the air package is on your right for the air chuck. Going into the panel here, we're all temped in, of course, 480 volts. Got the fuses out so the pumps don't come on. 3 servo drives, vertical, cross, and drill. Somebody marked them. Off to the right, the AC Tech spindle drive. As you work your way down low, we got the Allen Bradley 6500 sitting there. So, yeah, we're all set there, and there's the covers for the servos for the Echo drives. And sure, coming around here, chiller with the fan, 1 filter system here. Scavenger pump down low. Coming around on the conveyor here, magnetic. We don't have it hooked up right now, but magnetic conveyor, and that's about it really. So go hit the control, move some things around, and let's see what we get. The manual, I can try moving X right away first, and I'm just moving it slowly if I want to get right up on the way there. Maybe right in front of you here. And I can just probably leave it right there, see what happens. There's Y going down. To your left, if you get right by the way over here, you can see it. Let me come back up a little bit. And Z, that one's good, the brake's on. Got Z-axis down through here. We can just go plus here first maybe. You can kind of just see the screw moving down low there. Not much to see, but that's good. I'll come back the other way a little bit. And you can see the clock's moving on here. I'm just holding it. It's a real slow feed, so that's good. And if we close the door, I think just to hear the spindle, we can kind of put it at with the same speed where that auto cycle is calling for. This program we got on there is around 1400. So even in manual mode, I am in manual, I can just put, here's S for spindle, and it asks for a speed. I just put 1400 on there. And there's nothing to enter here. All you do is pick a rotation forward or reverse with spindle start, and you get spindle start. And off the pot here, here's the readout, 1092. off the pot, I can bring that up a little bit. At 100%, I should be around 1400. There's my call out, or I can overclock it. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's all looking pretty good. I'll go back down to 100%, shut that off, and get up into auto cycle. Here, let's see if we can run the auto cycle program. It's already on there. It's just a little short 10 or 20 millimeter hole they were drilling, 2 different depths. If I come over to automatic program run, hit cycle start, if it all goes well, you'll hear the bushing pop out, XY position itself, and the spindle will start coming in. So let's see what we get. Now positioning here, Y is moving, there's X, and now it's waiting, it's in M8, so all I have to do is, now this position, I have to spindle start, it'll just keep on going here. For the dwell of 2 seconds, bushing is out, spindle speed 1400, we're going to Z minus 10, we're presently at +1, because I was moving it around, so it's going to go a little bit farther. 10 millimeters we'll go up to. Now we're in minus. And after that we jump into 1400, another 2 second dwell. There's the feed rate. Then we're going to go to minus 25 on Z, which is 15 millimeters deeper. I'm not sure what they were doing. There's 5 of 10. We're almost there, so. You can just barely see the screw move. And again, I can still play with the spindle, I think, here. Yeah. Bring that up. And I can even overclock the feed, I guess, even a little bit higher there. We're almost at 10 millimeter. There's 10. 2 second dwell again. And now we're going to 25. Another 15 millimeter. I think that's when they reposition the table for another set of holes. At 18. Another 7 millimeters to go. Runs nice though, quiet. Still feeding. There's 25. Is that moving? Yeah. Z went back. Let's see where we're at. Line 26, M5 might be a tool. Let's continue with the program. Now we're moving on Y and X. There, they both moved. Repositioning, yep. That's good. And ready for the next hole, I think. Pushing back out, and this one is minus 10 again for the next depth. So they were drilling a couple of holes of the same depth. We're going to 10 millimeter again. Am I okay? And one more, I think, it goes, looks like another 5 millimeter to 15, and it's done. There's 10. Now it's going to 15. Line 42, we're shooting for that. Now we're there. There's a 2 second dwell. And Z's going back. And that all happens pretty fast. And then if I hit cycle start one more time, we go back to the top of the ladder. There it is. Beginning of program. So yeah, they were doing a couple things with it. That's it. Looks and runs well.
Not much to see, right?
Yeah, it's a good machine.
Yeah.
Done deal.